Best tennis rackets. Are you looking for the best tennis rackets? In this video we will look at some of the best tennis rackets on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Wilson Hyper Hammer 5.3. The Hyper Hammer has been a favorite choice for beginner tennis players for over 25 years, earning a reputation as one of Wilson's best-selling rackets. Its standout feature is the lightweight design, which allows for effortless swinging, making long practice sessions more comfortable and reducing the typical strain on elbows and shoulders that many beginners experience. This makes it especially appealing for players just starting out, who want to enjoy hours on the court without fatigue or discomfort. Beginners also benefit from the racket's ability to generate spin easily, which helps them learn new shot techniques and develop more confidence in their game. The Hyper Hammer's balance is another highlight. It gives players a stable feel during serves and volleys, which helps build trust in their movements and shot placement. Adding to its beginner-friendly features is the oversized 110 square inch head. This generous surface area is extremely forgiving on off-center hits, increasing the chances of solid contact and helping novices return and serve the ball more effectively. Another factor that makes the Hyper Hammer so appealing is its pricing. While it offers performance comparable to many mid-range rackets, it comes with a beginner-friendly price tag, making it an accessible option for players who want quality without spending too much. Overall, this combination of lightweight construction, spin-friendly design, forgiving head size, and affordability makes the Hyper Hammer a standout choice for anyone just starting their tennis journey. Specifications: length, 27.5 inches. Weight, 8.96 ounces. Head size, 110 square in. Grip sizes, 4-inch 0, 41/8, 1, 41/4, 2, 43/8, 3, 4.5, 4. Number 2. Babolat Boost S. Babolat has long been celebrated for its high-quality rackets, and it's easy to see why players of all levels, including many professionals, swear by the brand. As tennis coach Matchy shared, Babolat is a brand that I always come back to, and it's easy to understand the loyalty. The Boost series, including the Boost S, is designed specifically for beginners, offering all the essentials needed to improve your game without any unnecessary features. It's built to give players an extra boost on their returns while maintaining a smooth, controlled feel that performs well across every aspect of the court. One of the standout features of the Boost S is its weight. At 10 ounces, it strikes the perfect balance, light enough to allow for effortless swings, yet substantial enough to drive through shots with confidence. This makes it ideal for newcomers who want a racket that helps them learn proper technique while still feeling powerful when hitting the ball. Its manageable size and weight, combined with excellent maneuverability, allow beginners to experiment with different shots and styles without feeling limited. Affordability is another major advantage of the Boost S. Like the Wilson Hyper Hammer 5.3, it sits comfortably in the mid-range price point, making it an approachable option for players ready to move beyond basic entry-level rackets. With its thoughtful design, lightweight construction, and beginner-focused features, the Babolat Boost S is an excellent choice for anyone looking to elevate their game without breaking the bank. Specifications: length, 27 inches. Weight, 9.8 ounces. Head size, 102 square in. Grip sizes, 41/8, 1, 41/4, 2, 43/8, 3. Number 3. Wilson Clash 108 V2. Let's be honest up front, the Clash 108 V2 isn't a bargain. However, for beginners who are serious about improving their game or simply want a high-quality experience on the court, this racket is worth every penny. Comfort is its standout feature. Every swing feels smooth and easy, which is especially helpful during long practice sessions. At the same time, it delivers a perfect balance of power and responsiveness, giving players above-average control and precision for accurate shots across the court. This makes it an excellent choice for beginners working to refine all aspects of their game. Another major advantage is the enlarged sweet spot, which dramatically improves forgiveness on off-center hits. Mishits are common for new players, and having this larger hitting area ensures that mistakes don't lead to frustrating or inconsistent shots. The Clash 108 V2 allows beginners to focus on learning proper technique and building confidence rather than worrying about every small error. While the upfront cost may feel high, it's important to consider longevity. Unlike most cheaper rackets under $100, this racket is built to last for years of regular play, making it a smart long-term investment. In fact, any beginner considering a sub-$150 racket should seriously weigh the Clash 108 V2 first. It provides comfort, performance, and durability that cheaper models simply can't match. For those committed to their tennis journey, this racket combines quality, precision, and forgiveness in one reliable package. Specifications: length, 27.25 inches. Weight, 10.48 ounces. Head size, 108 square in. Grip sizes, 4-inch 0, 41/8, 1, 41/4, 2, 43/8, 3, 4.5, 4. Number 4. Head Geo Speed. Another excellent value pick from one of tennis's most trusted brands, the Geo Speed stands out as a beginner-friendly racket that doesn't skimp on quality. One of its biggest strengths is the large hitting surface, which makes it much easier for new players to make consistent contact with the ball. This feature, combined with its strong and durable construction, ensures that the Geo Speed can withstand the occasional mishit or aggressive swing without losing performance, a must for any entry-level racket. The Geo Speed also features a slightly longer length of 27.5 inches. This extra reach is especially helpful for smaller players or those with shorter swings, allowing them to cover more court and generate more leverage on their shots. At the same time, this length benefits any beginner learning the fundamentals of the game, giving them a little extra margin for error and helping them feel more confident during rallies. While the Geo Speed isn't designed to compete with high-end, professional-level rackets, it excels at what it's intended to do: provide a reliable, easy-to-use option for beginners. Whether you're just starting out, playing for fun, or looking for a solid recreational racket to keep in your gear collection for weekend matches, the Geo Speed delivers impressive performance for its price. Its combination of durability, forgiving hitting surface, and beginner-focused design makes it one of the best feature-to-dollar value rackets on the market today. Specifications: length, 27.5 inches. Weight, 10.4 ounces. Head size, 105 square in. Grip sizes, 4-3/8, 3. Number 5. Wilson Burn 100 ULS V5. The latest Burn racket isn't just about style. It looks effortlessly sleek on the court, but it also performs exceptionally well for beginners and recreational players alike. One of its strongest features is its lightweight design, which makes swinging easy and reduces strain on the elbows and shoulders. This is especially valuable during longer practice sessions or marathon matches, where fatigue can become a factor. Despite being light, the Burn maintains excellent stability and maneuverability, allowing players to move it quickly and respond to shots with confidence. Another key advantage is the racket's construction. Made from stiff, high-quality carbon fiber, it delivers powerful shots while retaining control, helping beginners generate pace without sacrificing accuracy. This combination of lightness and strength makes it an ideal option for those learning the fundamentals of tennis, as it allows for comfortable swings while supporting proper technique. Affordability is also a highlight of the Burn racket. It sits in the mid-range price category, offering strong performance without the premium cost of professional-level models. This makes it highly approachable for beginners who want a racket that balances quality, durability, and price. Overall, the Burn feels like a Goldilocks racket, not too heavy, not too flimsy, and just right for players looking for comfort, control, and power in one package. Whether you're practicing, playing casually, or taking your first steps into competitive tennis, this racket delivers an excellent all-around experience. Specifications: length, 27 inches. Weight, 9.7 ounces. Head size, 100 square in. Grip sizes, 4-inch 0, 41/8, 1, 41/4, 2, 43/8, 3.